What we're doing now is going to jet them all down. Believe it or not, I've just had to go and buy a new Titan because my Karcher K4 decided to pack up. So it was an unexpected cost, but we'll get there. So I'm going to jet all these down now, let them dry for the next couple of days, and then we'll get sanding on them, and then hopefully start making a bit of progress. You kind of get the idea. I'm going to put it on time lapse and see how long it takes me. Go for it. How long do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. Alright, well, that's them all cleaned, covered. Keep them to dry now for a good few days, probably a week. And then, what I'm also going to do is I bought myself a little Barrett sander, and then I'll give them a good sand, a little tool review if you like. And so what I've done, just halved it. I want you to look at the end of there, so I know then about 100mm outside, 100mm outside. Obviously, we'll put up against there, just square it up, and then I'll put some screws in. What I'm using is these timber screws. They are 150. Now, hex, good screws to be fair. You also come with the right bit. Swap that over. Again. And get 2 screws in. Hold it. There we go. So, before we start a little, what I've done now is I have cleared along a nice channel along here and get them nice and flush into the ground. What I'm going to do now, what I've done actually, is I've screwed on some back posts, and what that is half wrapped, so then the next sleeper then can put up to that and be screwed in. What I'm going to do now is I have bought some bitumen paint and put that on the back, and then leave that to dry for a bit, and then I'll get this put in here, get it leveled up, and then get some postcrete in. And that's the first one in, so I'll let you watch me do that, and then I'll go around and get all these done. So stay tuned. So I've done is I left the top and I left the bottom of that, so if any water goes in it can drain back out from the bottom. There we go, it's one down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Many more to come. Let's hope these petals from this tray don't start sticking to it. We'll give that an hour to dry. There we go. That's the first one in. Like I say, I'm no professional, but you get the idea. Alright, now I've just got to work out that angle. That one's not, it's only placed in at the moment, it's not fixed in at all. Let's take a bit off that. A numpty here, forgot to press record. Put the end up. Okay. Blue skies, that's what I want. Okay, got a nice angled cut now. Guys, sorry that I ain't got much footage. My phone decided to die on me, so still got all this to do here. I've managed to do that, going round to there. Now what I've done, as you can see, I've put a bitumen on there, and then also put a bitumen on the back as well, so that'll keep it all watertight. So carry on, and then we just got to do the tops, and just got to dig out that last little bit and then go around to there, and then finally get this done. It's one of the jobs now which is just never ending, just don't have the time, so stay tuned and let's crack on. Finally, the lights have come. Got them off Amazon. Got two sets. One's 20 meters. So IP65, 9 to 12 watt. As you can see on there, that's 50,000 hours of light. So as you can see, that one's 20 meters. Got clips on there. And then this is the 10 meter one. Now I've just had a little practice on here. So this would be the clip with this right a bit just here. You can see. So it should do the job. It's in there nice and tight. You ignore that. I was looking at just doing it without the clips, but I think the clips is going to be better. What we have to do now is work out the overhang I want on there. Now my router is too long, so I have to do the groove first and then screw these down. But go all the way along, and I cut a piece for here. These are all just sitting there, just in place at the moment. So I go all the way along, cut these pieces down, and then come in there to that. This is going to be the next project, which is going to be the play area. My shed's going to go there, which is going to house all my garden tools and whatnot. So that'll allow my main shed then to going to be my workshop. This area here, I'm going to have a patio, because literally this is the last bit of the sun we get from the evening. So nice little patio there with a bistro set, and we can watch our little man play on the playground. Which, that'll be the next project. So if you are enjoying it so far and you want to find out how we get on, then obviously hit that subscribe button, and then you'll know when I've uploaded the next video. But we've still got some leveling out to do on that, which I'll show you once we start it. And then, so for now, let's get back to these sleepers, because once these are all screwed down, I'm going to give them a sand and then treat them. So it's a bit of a hot one today, so I'm hopefully working a bit in the shade. I want to get these done now.
Okay.
60 mil. And then there'll be 195 mil, which is the sleeper. And then there's just shy of 40 mil overhang on the rear. What we're doing now is put a groove down out. Right, so what I've done is put 6 clips on each sleeper. That should keep it nice, evenly and tight up into the groove. Like I say, when they're hanging upside down, I don't want it to start looping out. So, on to the next one. I ain't going to record it all, there's no use in the one, you don't need to see modes. Right, so we've grooved out all of these now. You can see underneath. It clips in. Hit focus. I don't know. No. Right, so I've routed all the way along. And now I've got down to here. So now got that one to do, got that to do, and then I've only got one full sleeper left. and that's probably about 1800. As you can see by them, that's probably about, just short. So I'll have to see what I can do with that. And then I have bought a junction box and Wagos. I have got my old electrical cable still here, and that runs to my lighting circuit, which goes onto the shed. And if you go around, it's in a scorch over there. If you go around, mind the mess. On the side of the shed there is the switch for the light sensor. So I'm going to wire it up to that. I'm going to cut the plugs off the LED strips, and I am going to wire it into that. So when it goes to a certain darkness, all my lights will come on. So we are getting there, slowly but surely. That's been my little work setup. So yeah, just that last little bit to do, and then I'll show you me installing the lights. So stay tuned. Right then, finally getting there now. So they're all routed out at the bottom for the lights. They're all just sitting loose just on top at the moment. So I'm just going to cut that one at the back there, square it off, and then part 3 will be me installing the lights, screwing these down, sanding them, and then giving them a wood finish. All I'm using is Screwfix clear coating, timber coating. But it's looking alright now, isn't it? It's getting that. So, thanks for watching. Part 3 will be out soon. And subscribe, and it will send you a notification when I upload it. Thanks for watching, guys. See ya.